raw onion?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah?
Okay,
ready?
Go on.
Hello, it's day 6 since the, let's take this off. It's day 6 since the symptoms of the Rona came to visit me. Did the test this morning. Don't know if you can see it there, but the second line is really faint. I mean, it's barely coming through. The self-isolation is really starting to hit. I noticed, so I made a video, just to bring you up to speed. I tested positive for the Rona, and I released this video here, where it shows everything, where I lost my taste and smell, and then took the family to a PCR test, which was stupid because they were all negative. There we are, all in the car, breathing in my air. Luckily, they're all still negative. And as you can see, I took the test this morning and the second line is really faded now. You've got to really hold it up to the light to see that second line. So this morning I'm feeling less delicate, but I'm just feeling really fatigued, and I've got a feeling that tiredness is just from not moving, it's from not being out and about because of the self-isolation. So look, if I put it on screen now, I've done 14 steps today. These are the steps that my phone has measured, and you can see right here on the Monday, there I am like a good one, nearly hitting the 10k steps, and then plummet. Absolutely nothing all week, and that's got to take a toll. I mean, obviously I'm not a GP or a medical person in any sense, but even I can see that even if you're super fit and healthy and have no symptoms of the Rona, if you're gonna just be indoors and not move for 2 weeks, that's gonna take an incredible toll on your body. And looking at these steps, I have no idea how I'm doing 1,300 steps a day by just moving between the bathroom and the bedroom. I think it's just pacing up and down with the camera like this. I'm also going around the house with a mask on, and everywhere I go I'm excuse me, I'm sanitizing, I'm wiping things down as I'm using them. Honestly, it's like going around your house like a high-end burglar from a heist movie. You know, you just constantly wiping all elements of your trace from your own home. It's not a good way to live. And probably the hardest thing at the moment, for anyone who's been through this, you'll know this, but the taste and the smell. I just miss the taste and the smell so much. I was going to film myself eating a raw onion and maybe some of Casper's dog food. Should we do it? should we do it? I'll get my son to film it. How should I do this? Sorry about the noise in the background, but my poor long-suffering wife is mowing the garden.
I think you should just chop it into quarters and then eat it like oranges. Can you literally not taste a thing?
I literally can't taste a thing. Well, this is the test. I can't smell it.
Oh, that'd be really weird because you just can't taste anything.
Right.
I'd kind of rather not to taste anything because then I could like eat lots of healthy stuff, couldn't I?
Right. Well, that's what I thought.
I could eat whatever I want. This is gonna test whether it would work or not.
Should I do it?
Sure, why not?
Ready?
Wait.
Raw onion.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah?
Okay,
ready?
Go on. Bro, you can't taste that.
No.
Really?
It feels really tingly.
We need lights on in here because the quality is quite bad.
So I've just done that for nothing.
Because my phone doesn't work well in the dark.
This is wrong. The taste is coming back. I can taste it. I can really taste it now.
Wait. So did your COVID just stop the second you...
It's brought back my taste. Oh my god. Oh.
What have you done? You're so stupid.
Well, I brought back the taste of onion. I was going to eat dog food. Should I eat dog food?
Sure. Yeah, there's some fresh stuff down there. He's probably put his mouth in that and he's got a little cold.
He has. I'll probably catch the dog. I'll get dog COVID.
You get double virus going on.
So I can't taste it, but it doesn't feel good. They feel like soggy biscuits.
That's because he's put his lick in them. You disgusting person.
I let the dog's running over. You want some? I'm sorry, Casper. I was eating your dinner.
He gets so mad if you did that.
I can really taste onion.
You shouldn't have done that
I
though.
think it's brought back my senses. Right, so here's what I've learned. If you've lost your taste and smell, eat raw onion because it will cut through.
Do you think your COVID just literally just stopped now? It just instantly went away the second you eat an onion.
Right, the COVID just went, no, I'm out of here. You can taste and smell back. We're off. Hello.
I'm calling on behalf of the NHS Track and Trace. Hi, I'm calling to talk to you about the self-isolation. How have you been feeling?
Delicate and a bit rough, but good, thanks.
Oh, good. And can I... Oh, sorry. Not good, but...
No, it is. You're right. It's fantastic. I can walk around. I can't taste anything still. I can taste a little bit. I'm very grateful.
Okay.
Thank you.
And can I confirm you're self-isolating?
I am.
Perfect.
Because I'm just really interested, and I'm extremely bored as well because I'm indoors. But do you phone people? Can you tell if they're not self-isolating? Have you ever phoned someone and it's like really obvious that they're out somewhere?
Yeah, of course. But because we can tell by like you can hear the cars and stuff. Like, they might be in the garden. Sometimes you can hear the radio on their car and like bibbing, like you can clearly tell they're in a car. But other than that, you can tell, and then all I do is just put it on the note. But
I see.
if you tell us that you're not isolating,
Yes.
that you are isolating, sorry,
Yeah.
we just have to go from what you say, to be honest.
Of course.
We haven't got a camera, we can't really see where you are. So, any other...
Yeah, what would you, because I've been asking this to everyone who's phoned me, what would you do at 1 minute past midnight on your first day of freedom? I'm looking for
I'll
ideas.
Go outside and go to the club.
Yeah, at midnight. That's a good pub.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? Some pubs close at like late, don't they?
Yeah, well, it's better than my idea.
As well.
I think it's going to be the BP Garage. That's the only place that's open around here.
Oh yeah, there you go. Bring a little speaker. But yeah, thank you so much for your time today, and thank you so much for self-isolating. Hope you have a lovely day.
Oh, you too. Thank you for the call. Appreciate your work.
No worries. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Didn't mean to hang up so abruptly there.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?